Just like that?
Yeah.
Okay, point your feet! Action!
Hi, I'm Carolina from Momjo.
And I am Liat, and we know you guys have been asking, so today, here it is.
We have been the proud owners of Endy Mattresses for over a year, and you guys have been asking what the experience has really been like.
And how the mattresses are holding up
Yeah.
after a year of sleeping on it.
Use and abuse.
Okay, so I want to hear from you seriously. How do you feel about your Endy mattress 1 year down the road?
Okay, so for me, the norm with my mattresses all throughout my life has been using hard mattresses. For some reason, my husband and I were completely convinced that a hard mattress was better for your back, that it was more comfortable. I've said this in the 100-day review, and I will say it again. My body aches have literally disappeared since I moved into a softer mattress.
Amen, sister.
Completely counterintuitive, but something has changed.
Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
I totally agree with you. I used to turn around in the middle of the night and feel the aches and pains in my back. Never since I've had my Endy
It's so weird. We may get woken up like 10 times a night, but for some reason when you wake up, you might be exhausted, but you're not in pain.
The thing for me is that when I wake up, it doesn't matter after how many hours I've slept,
Yeah.
I cannot get out of bed. I am
Yes.
so comfortable.
You're just so cozy in there.
Literally like a cloud, just in there, like a cocoon.
I'm loving my bed. I even converted my husband, who was like, no, I'm never gonna like a soft mattress.
And
He loves it.
He
He's
does?
fine with it. He will not really admit it, Endy. He will not say, hey, I adore my Endy. He's like, it's okay.
it's okay.
It's fine. I'm like, it's great. You're not complaining.
I
take
will
that.
say that we are two very, and not you and me, I'm saying me and my husband, two happy sleepers in this bed.
Yeah.
And I will add that when we added the sheets and the cushions
yes.
and all the extra little Endy bits, and if you guys are thinking, do you add the sheets or the cushions or whatever to your order, do not hesitate.
Put in all the accessories.
Right?
Bring them all in.
Do the whole experience.
To be honest with you, I mean, I was really excited when we got the sheets because they are white, they are cotton, they feel so crisp. I feel like every time I slip into my bed,
Yeah.
I'm slipping into a 5-star hotel bed.
That's it.
I love it.
That's it. Now, I was not so excited about the sheets. She was more excited when we got them. And I was just like, what difference do sheets really make? They make a difference. You're right. Every night you get into your bed as if it's been freshly made from scratch.
Exactly.
And you were saying that the temperature makes a difference.
Yes, it feels very cool. I feel like I get into those sheets in that mattress and it feels nice and crisp and refreshing.
Oh, I don't know. I do have one thing to say that is potentially not so, jazz hands. And that was that after a few months, we did feel like the cloudness and the softness and fluffiness of the mattress, had kind of flattened out a little bit.
Yeah.
So you know what we did? We just flipped it around, and we were back to cloud 9.
Okay.
See, I did that?
And you know what I love about it? It's very easy to flip it around.
Yeah.
Like I used to have a spring mattress. It weighed like 2 million tons. I mean, that's an exaggeration, but it was very, very heavy. It was like that back-breaking pain every time we tried to move it. This guy is just foam, right? So you take it, you flip it around in like 2 seconds,
And it's done.
You're set. One feature that I am absolutely happy with is the removable cover. For any kind of mess, especially when you have children with weak sort of stomachs, right? My son was sick a couple months ago.
Okay.
He broke my back.
Oh,
I had a very thin protector on top of the mattress because I know it happens once in a while.
right.
But of course, the mess moved on to the mattress cover. We took it out, we unzipped it, we washed it. The mattress was absolutely untouched.
Wow.
So like no sleepiness.
No, I seriously didn't know.
It was amazing. Yeah.
I don't think I've ever taken the cover off, so
Yeah.
that's so good
We
to
put
know.
it in the washer, we washed it, and then put it back on, brand new.
Oh, it's a dream. It really is a dream. It's worth every dollar, and it's not even that expensive.
And with kids, I mean, that was a lifesaver. That was great.
So one more thing is that I noticed in the beginning that sitting on the edge of the bed and like putting your socks on or something like that, it felt really soft in comparison to my old bed.
Of course.
Now, a year later, I don't even think about it. I don't even notice it,
I
right?
remember it being a big deal for you
Right?
in the beginning. No one thinks about it.
So not a big deal. You sit down, you put your socks on and off you go.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to do it.
What?
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you
Of
and
course.
me. I have to say it. I have to say it because people have asked. I will just leave it like this. It doesn't change it that much. You get used to it. Yes, it's soft, but you get creative. You'll be fine, guys. You'll be fine. It's not a big deal.
So there you go, guys. We are honestly and sincerely happy with our Endy mattresses. I don't think we're going to be sending them back anytime soon.
No, and the 100 days has passed, so we can't return them. The love is real. If you are considering it, like, no questions asked, give it a shot. You can return it if you really want to, but we are quite certain there's going to be no returning.
We want you to have a better night's sleep, and we're happy to share this info. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you think about your Endy mattress, or if you'd like to try one and how your sleep is going. Because what mom or parent doesn't need a good night's sleep?
To live for sleep. Offer me a Rolex, offer me a yacht. I will take sleep over anything material.
Every day. For more honest reviews and funny mom stuff, follow us on social media at Finding Momjo.
See you next time. Pretend I'm your Endy mattress.
Wendy!
Mom!
Bonne nuit. Oh, bonne nuit.